Assalamu alaikum and good morning class 2. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start our science work on science textbook. Please so open your science textbook page number 52. Okay class 2, this time is for experiment. Let's find out the experiment is about sand, clay or soil holds the most water. Student, for this experiment, which materials we need? The materials are given here. We need 6 plastic cups, sand, clay and garden soil, a jug of water, a 50 milliliter measuring cup. Okay, now how we are going to do this experiment? Instructions are given. We will follow the instruction. Class 2, for this experiment, in first step, make a hole of 0.5 centimeter in diameter at the center of the bottom of 3 cups. First of all, we will take 3 cups out of 6 and make a hole at the center of the bottom of each cup. And in the second step, scoop each type of rock particle to fill half of these 3 cups. Okay, in the second we will put sand, clay and soil in each cup. Half cup, half cup. Okay, make it half cup and then we label the cup clay, sand and garden soil. It is compulsory to label the cup, otherwise we will at the end it is possible that we will mix up the soil, sand and clay. After pouring the water, in third step, place each of these cups in other cup does not have a hole. Okay children, as you know that we have 6 cups and 3 we use for sand, clay and soil with the hole in the. And now in third step we are going to put these cups in remaining 3 cups which does not have the soil. Come on the next fourth step. In fourth step, we pour the 50 centimeter of water in each cup of sand, clay and soil. The amount of water should be equal, okay, should be same. There should be no difference in amount of water. They should be same in each cup and in each cup. And now come on the page number 53, step number 5. Left the cup within the hole slightly above the cup, holding them. Children, as you can see in the picture, that after pouring the water into the cup, you will pick up the first cup which have the sand, clay or soil. Anything slightly, smoothly and let the water flow out into the cup below until the water stop flowing of the water. Stop flowing. After that we will check which hold the most water. It is sand, clay or soil. If the sand, clay and soil can hold the most water, you can see that this after completing this experiment, sand has this property that clay is holding more water than other. Now we are going to answer this question related to our experiment. Which type of rock particle allows the greatest amount of water to move through it? This type of, here you can see after doing this experiment that sand particles which are separate for each other. There is no thickness between them. They can hold. Okay, and next one is which type of rock particle holds the greatest amount of water? The clay is holding more water than other. Okay, now there we have 4 sentences there. Here we found out which are the important things to take the fair result of this experiment. We take those things which are necessary, which are very important for this experiment. First one is Which of the following have to be kept the same for this test to be fair? Take your answer. First one, amount of rock particles in each cup. Yes. Number 2, the size of the hole in each cup. Yes. Number 3, amount of water added to the soil. Take. Last one, type of rock particles used in each cup. No. Okay, student.